Good morning. Welcome to the annual Spelling Bee competition.
Religion. R-E-L-I-G-I-O-N. Religion.
Correct.
Thank you, Nēwan.
We are here today for the Spelling Bee competition that takes place every year at Bar's Private School. This year we have got grades 4, 5, 6 and 7 in the competition. We have already had the final for the other grades. You are the last grade. In this competition, there will be one winner, but there is no losing because everyone will learn and enjoy.
Correct. All right, so let's give her a great... Well done, Maria. Yeah, please. So let's clap for our winner, Nēwan.